Under the Rehabilitation Act of 1973, a person or entity that receives federal funding may not discriminate against otherwise qualified individuals on the basis of disability. In addition, those receiving federal funding must make reasonable accommodations to avoid discriminating on the basis of disability. In Southeastern Community College versus Davis, the United States Supreme Court considered whether a college violated the Rehabilitation Act by not admitting a student into its nursing program because of her hearing disability. In 1973, Frances Davis enrolled in the College Parallel program at Southeastern Community College in North Carolina. Upon completion of the one-year program, Davis applied for admission into the college's associate degree nursing program. At the time, Davis suffered from a hearing disability that prevented her from being able to understand normal speech, and she relied on a hearing aid and lip reading. During the admission process, Davis was interviewed by a member of the nursing faculty and advised to consult an audiologist. The audiologist recommended that Davis change her hearing aid. After receiving the audiologist's report, the college consulted with Mary McRee, the executive director of the North Carolina Board of Nursing. McRee recommended that the college not admit Davis into the nursing program because Davis's hearing disability made it unsafe for her to practice as a nurse. In addition, it would be unsafe for Davis to participate safely in the normal clinical training program because she wouldn't be able to respond to vocal commands from physicians in the operating room with surgical masks. After being notified that she was denied admission into the program because of her hearing disability, Davis requested reconsideration. The nursing staff at Southeastern then met and consulted with McRee, who again concluded that Davis's hearing disability made it unsafe for her to practice as a nurse. The staff later voted to deny Davis admission into the program. Subsequently, Davis sued the college in federal district court for violation of the Rehabilitation Act. Following a bench trial, the court found in favor of the college, concluding that Davis wasn't an otherwise qualified individual under the act. Specifically, it found an otherwise qualified individual meant that the person could function sufficiently in the position sought despite the handicap if proper training and facilities were suitable and available. Davis appealed to the Fourth Circuit, which reversed. The United States Supreme Court then granted cert.